This is the Jayco Jay Flight SLX. It's a 284 bunkhouse. When you first walk in the door, to the right you have the master bedroom with a little bit of covered space for hanging clothes. You have a curtain you can pull. Show special at Hartville RV. You have a wraparound U-shaped booth dinette with counter space, sink, oven, stove, small microwave and refrigerator. Nice large TV, bunks for the kids, or you could put adults, I guess, in there. Bathroom. Decent counter space for a small bathroom. Nice size shower. No tub that comes up high. And you got your toilet. This would be a good weekender for family or grandparents that want to have grandkids over. And here's your couch that sits across from the TV. So this is a Jayco Jay Flight. Do have cabinet space here. And there's some shelves beside it. Also on this Jay Flight, you have an outdoor kitchen with a small mini fridge. Two-burner stove with a small sink. This slides up underneath the bunk beds. You got your awning with your LED lights. And you got your under the master bed storage pass through. And the propane tanks on the front are your little 20-gallon tanks.